les gars, la forme comme un dimanche. Allez, aujourd'hui on va continuer notre petit let's play sur Simon The Origin. Alors je continue à dire let's play découverte dans le titre, mais bah tu as compris, c'est plus une découverte, hein, on a fait 2 sessions déjà. Qu'est-ce que je voulais dire? On va... Je vais refaire une vidéo. Donc aujourd'hui, parce qu'hier j'ai joué un peu, j'ai voulu changer un peu mon son, ce qui fait que bah, pour le coup on entend bien le jeu mais on m'entend plus à moi. Donc j'ai remis le son tel que je l'avais mis à l'origine. On va voir si ça paye. Et puis de toute façon tu me diras, il n'y a pas de, y a pas de secret quoi. Allez, on est go. On va se mettre un petit peu en condition. Et c'est parti. Donc on va reprendre exactement là où on en était hier. Et on va se faire un petit délire parce que voilà quoi. Comme on sait quelle musique c'est ici, on va se faire un petit kiff. Et après ça décolle. Oh putain. Toum, 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 toum. Toum.
No swimming. High risk of being eaten. Okay then, we're off.
Est-ce que je vais recroiser la dame du lac? Non.
It isn't moving. This is... well, it's disappointing, frankly. I'll just have to find a way to make it move.
Je suppose que j'ai pas de rame. Je vais essayer avec la louche, on sait jamais.
That's no good. I wish I hadn't skipped that boat building.
Bon, on va revenir en arrière. Il doit me rater. Je pense savoir où elle est la rame pour le coup. Ah, j'ai pas pu ouvrir l'autre côté aussi. Celle-là, il y a le bâton. Mais
That doesn't work. It's too high up for me.
ouais. Est-ce que je peux geler?
Time for a sewage ice lolly. Freeze.
Bingo.
This had better be worth it.
Oui.
Seems pretty sturdy. I might be able to make something with it.
Ouais. Je vais d'abord essayer ici. Je suis pas sûr, mais dans le doute, on sait jamais. Est-ce que je peux ouvrir
That didn't work. Anyway, do I really need to...
Ok. On va retourner à l'académie. Est-ce que je peux...
Best not.
Ok. Et par la fissure peut-être. Est-ce que je peux l'enflammer?
Best not.
Non plus. Bon, on va continuer. Voir si avec le bâton on peut s'en servir de rame.
It looks like this leaky. Seems pretty. That's no good. I wish I hadn't.
J'ai dû rater un truc. Est-ce que je peux pas... Je vais voir si je peux ouvrir la grille peut-être. Oh.
Locked. Maybe I can open it from the other side.
Pourquoi tu es sorti de l'église toi?
I recognize your footsteps, unbeliever. Be gone! My vicar will be along any moment. Where has that drunkard got to now?
Peut-être pouvoir passer derrière vu qu'il est là lui. Il m'empêchera pas de passer. Par contre, il se peut que je mette pause à un moment. Oh! Je sais ce que c'est ça maintenant. Donc je disais, il se peut que je mette pause tout à l'heure, j'attends une livraison. Les courses.
Freeze, Sneasius. Flambergo. It's opening. Please, let there be something useful inside.
Sacré. What it is. Une pierre. Elle va encore apprendre un sort, c'est ça?
Is that a... Oh, it's a stone. This magical world of wonder never fails to disappoint. Just one moment. There's something written on it. It says, Windado.
Bingo.
Whoa!
Oh!
Nice. Let's just hope nobody notices. Windado!
Allez, let's go. Nouveau sort. vieux livre.
It's some kind of religious text. Aha! There's something inside. It's a voucher for the bloated goat. An expired voucher. I'll take it anyway.
Une carte de membre de bar.
Expired. Drat.
Expiré.
I could have done with a drink.
Bon, ça me servira, je pense. Garde-robe. Donc il y a le vieux livre, il y a des mauvaises lectures.
Not really my genre.
Ok.
The epic deeds of the first wizard, his 1,000 most celebrated miracles.
Ok.
What is it with this interminable obsession with runes? Ah, the sweet smell of naphthalene and religious zealotry.
Ok. Et je crois que c'est tout.
I suppose this explains the smell of incense. This might come in handy. I don't think I'll... I suppose I could try lighting it.
Vas-y. Bon.
The stench would knock out anything.
Alors j'ai un encensoir, j'ai un bon expiré. Voilà quoi.
You wouldn't catch me wearing that outfit. But who am I to judge? I'm the one wearing a colored robe and a pointy hat.
Je pense pas avoir raté quelque chose d'autre.
That's not wrong.
Ok. Alors, tu l'as pas senti, mais normalement, il y a eu une pause. Coup de téléphone, refaire le café,
Yes.
tout ça.
I don't think it's going to let me just take what I need. Besides... Ah! Devil is that thing?
Ok. Tiens, ça va faire dodo.
Oi,
Bingo.
we timorous beastie, look what I've got for you. All that effort for this. I suppose I might find a use for it.
Trop facile. Allez. Donc j'ai ça, j'ai le vent. Allez, on se casse. Direction les marais. Ah putain, j'ai pas écouté le son dans la cave. Allez, comme d'hab, un petit délire. Tut, 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 tut. Tut, 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 tut. Tut, 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 tut. Alors c'est bien, franchement, euh, le Simon 1 il est sorti en 95, je crois 95, 96. Moi je suis né en 86 les gars. J'y ai joué, je devais avoir 9 ans, je comprenais rien. Euh, le jeu il était en anglais sous-titré, le premier. Le deuxième était en français, doublé français, c'était sympa d'ailleurs avec des voix connues. Je serais incapable de vous dire le nom des comédiens de doublage. Mais vous les connaissez tous. Euh, et j'espère vraiment que ce jeu fera découvrir les premiers Simon, pour ceux que ça intéresse bien sûr, qui feront l'effort d'aller chercher un peu l'histoire. Et je parle uniquement du 1 et du 2. Hein. Le faux 3 pour moi, qui est en 3D, c'est pas ça quoi. Pour moi, ils ont merdé à ce niveau-là. Puis bon, je crois qu'ils avaient plus la même équipe technique et tout. Mais voilà, allez découvrir Simon 1 et 2, c'est génial comme jeu. Allez, on repart dans notre petit scénario. Bingo.
That should do the trick. I was hoping it might have, I don't know, started moving.
Ouais, là ça va, je suis pas un âne non plus.
Well, no going back now. Windado! And we're off! I just hope this old tub makes it to the other side.
Moi, pauvre.
One can't even depend on one's troll these days. I need to get back to my excavating. My boat? Where did it go? Steal from me, would you? Scoundrel responsible for this shall face my wrath!
Finally made it. That's odd. I thought thought I heard voices. This place must be messing with my head. Huh?
Ok.
Oh, looks like my return.
No
It's fine. I do
come
hope the
back.
boat won't be upset. Speaking of which, I wonder whose boat it was.
Oh. Tu es pas dans mon chapeau, toi? Ah bah non.
Chippy, how did you get here? Where are you off to?
Stock. Ok. Je reviens, je vais me faire le café. Donc j'ai mon café. Ça repart. Oh. Pas de musique ici.
Great idea. Let's follow the random dogs through the gloomy, desolate swamp. Enough. Nah, I can't read this stuff. That's enough of trying to decipher this gibberish. That's enough of trying to decipher this.
Ouais, mais bon, si c'est comme...
I could get into trouble.
T'as 6 cette fois. Ah. C'est vrai que glace, glace, feu. Feu, vent, vent. Alors, glace. Glace. Feu. Feu. Vent. Vent. Non. Attends, non, c'est peut-être le dernier celui-là en fait. Donc ça pourrait être glace, feu, vent, vent, glace, feu. Oh, attendez, c'est glace, feu, vent, vent, glace, feu. Non. Ça pourrait être vent, feu, vent, vent, glace, feu. Non. Feu. Feu. Vent. Vent. Glace. Feu.
Nothing weird going on here. Just a sinister dark obelisk in an ominous swamp. Hear me, O mighty scum of the swamp. Share with me your boundless wisdom. Well, that didn't work.
L'île du crâne, c'est rigolo.
This way to the witch's house.
Oh!
Ah, very handy.
Est-ce que c'est la même?
Wait a moment. This way to... Ah. Wait a moment. All of a sudden, moving house doesn't seem so bad after all.
Une sortie ici. Encore un marais et un chemin ici.
How long does this swamp go on for?
Ok. J'ai pas pris. Ah si, il est là. Un petit café. C'est peut-être le haut ça alors. Si je fais feu. Vent. Vent. Glace. Glace. Feu. Non. Feu. Vent. 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 Glace. Feu. Feu. Vent. Vent. Feu. Glace. Feu. Pas ça. Ah. Je crois que j'ai fait toutes les combinaisons possibles. Après c'est peut-être lui le dernier aussi. Ce serait étrange quand même. C'est étrange, j'avoue. Qu'est-ce que ça pourrait être? C'est bon. Comme j'ai dit, je crois que j'ai tout fait.
That's enough of trying to decipher. Blimey! Dead, and probably descended from an astral deity.
Bon. Je reviendrai. Je pense que il doit me manquer quelque chose. Je crois que j'ai fait toutes les combinaisons possibles. Allons voir si c'est la sorcière, si c'est la même.
Mere time wandering to the forbidden swamp.
Yes, I needed a favor.
How could you? I expressly told you to let anybody go there. The little miscreant had the nerve to steal from me. I demand to know who we're dealing with.
We've been through this. I needed a little favor doing. Actually, he's interested in the first wizard as well. Says he comes from another world. Or something like that.
Did you say another world?
Hey Simon, how was your
N'empêche
day?
que-
Just a normal day, man. I jumped on a boat and went to the...
N'empêche que...
You'd love it. It's full of things to get angry about.
Attends une minute. Je reviens dans 2 secondes. Je viens de capter un truc dans la cinématique que je n'ai point fait. Glace feu feu. Non?
I'll never understand what people find so fascinating about engraved stones. Achoo.
Glace feu feu. Glace feu feu. Glace feu feu. Vent vent. Glace feu. Glace feu feu. Glace. Feu. Feu. Vent. Vent. Glace. Ah non, c'est pas ça. Bon. Pas chercher 107 ans non plus. Si ça se trouve, la solution elle est ailleurs. Comme X-Files. Pardon.
More cages. Great.
Tu vas voir, c'est la sorcière
Are those...
de Simon. À tous les coups. Je crois qu'il y a le chien, les pattes.
What kind of a house has... Do you know what? I don't think he's going to stop.
Non, il s'arrêtera pas, je pense.
I'm not sure that'll be.
Ça serait pas sympa surtout. La sèche peut-être.
I'm not sure what
Ouais.
that'll, but I'd rather.
Allez. Rentrons chez la sorcière.
So, Chippy has led me to my doom.
C'est le marécageux ça?
Boy, then.
Help me!
Ah putain, yes.
And who, mighty?
Baba Yaga ils l'ont appelé.
Well, I could ask you the same question, couldn't I?
Impertinent child! You dare to mock me? I am Baba Yaga, the witch who reigns over this swamp. Now, tell me, why are you here?
You know your gaff has got chicken feet, right?
I know that. Back in the day, my house and I explored the world. Then one day, I settled down here. But I hadn't counted on just how scarce the fauna would be. And now I'm stuck here, forced to come up with inventive ways to make the locals more palatable.
Palatable? About him in the cage. Do you have something going on, or should I be concerned?
What? Oh, don't.
Marécageux.
The little green guy just dropped by for dinner.
I was just following a dog, and he led me to your gaff.
Dog. You would be wise not to mock me, boy.
Well, you see, normally I would mock you, but this time I happen to be telling the truth. Listen, I'm just trying to find some frozen swamp mud. I don't suppose you know where I can find some? Then I'll be on my way, and you can get on with... well, with whatever disturbing, weirdo, creepy stuff you're up to.
On your way. Foolish boy. You're in my dominion now. And I've got something special in mind for you. Now, you are my slave.
Ah bon?
I'm
Ah oui.
at your command.
Putain de merde.
Little slave now. I'm working on a particularly intricate recipe. Ask me the ingredients I ask for. Everything needs to go in the correct order. Pass me the tears of Mandrake.
Je crois que j'ai pas trop le choix que lui donner les larmes de Mandragore.
Pass me the pound of the ground horn. Pass me the tales of fairy. Pass me the tales of fairy. Pass me the powder of ground horn.
No! Don't help her!
Pass me the tears of Mandrake.
Si je donne pas. Attends, je vais attendre un peu. On va voir ce qu'elle va me dire si elle marronne ou pas. Bingo.
Did you? But you're my slave!
Ouais, ça aurait pu durer 107 ans.
Sorry about that, Granny. I'm not the one doing the clicking round here.
Je peux prendre la sorcière?
I hope she isn't dead. That wouldn't be very good publicity. Hey, what have you got there?
The key.
Eh?
Thank you. Oh, thank you so much. I is saved.
You're welcome. I think. What exactly are you?
I is the one and only Swampling.
No, I mean, well, never mind. I'm Simon, by the way.
I is very pleased to meet you, Simon, by the way.
Je crois que je vous referai aussi. Je pense que je ferai un let's play de 6 mois et de vraiment. Il y a trop de références.
What are we going to do about the old crone?
Don't worry, new friend. I sorts her out.
You aren't planning to eat her, are you? Swampling?
Je veux pas savoir.
What are you doing here?
I was on my wanderings, then I finds house, and I thinks Witch's friend, but Witch's nasty friend.
Lovely to save you and all that, but I really need to be on my way.
No, please stay. You is my new bestest friend, Simon, by the way.
Bestest friend? We've only just met. I'm not sure I even know what you are.
Simon, by the way, good with joking. Now, let Swampling repay his debt. Food. I is the bestest cook in the world.
J'ai pas de fiole cette fois.
I'm afraid I'm getting a bit peckish.
Fantastic! I makes my special friend stew right away. You wait. I sorts all.
Il y a vraiment beaucoup de refs. Ouais, je pense que je ferai un let's play. Un let's play sur 6 mois et 2.
Swampling makes the bestest stew.
Eh ouais, le ragoût, putain.
What exactly is this stuff?
It's special friend stew. It's my own recipe.
What a way to go. Death by soup.
Stew.
Whatever it is. Bleh. It's revolting. It makes me miss my mum's cooking. What's it? It tastes of... Is that mud?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Only the bestest swamp mud. Did you taste the lumpy bits?
Ah. You know what? I'm absolutely stuffed now. But your stew is great. Would you mind if I took some home in a doggy bag, friend?
You call me friend? Of course. You take all the stew you want.
Thanks. I think...
Ok, j'ai la boue pour l'autre.
Ah, yes. Here it is. An impudent child from another world. The treasure will be reclaimed. So it seems the prophecy's coming true. Very well. I'll need to notify the Circle. No degenerate reprobate is going to steal my glory.
not sure I really want to know what's under there. Yep, that's certainly a nice rock. The Witch's Cookbook. How to make humans taste even better. I don't think I want to eat anything. Like, ever again. That seems disturbingly familiar. I feel like I can call on the favors of the dark deities, and I feel a weird tickling sensation in my frontopolar cortex. Slimy, dead, and probably...
Allez, c'est parti.
Sorry, boy. All I want is my frozen swamp mud.
Ah, pardon.
Is that you again, boy?
Yep, and I've got your stupid mud.
Wonderful. Let's having it then.
There you go.
This will be a real lifesaver for my skin.
Wait a minute. You sent me on a perilous quest for skin cream.
Do you have any idea how difficult it is to source organic skincare products?
Okay, you have just cemented your position as worst head teacher in history. Just tell me what I need to know before I start feeling nostalgic for my old head teacher.
You should talk to that miserable grouch sorted. He's the only one dim enough to waste his time researching the first wizard. You're bound to find him in the circle.
Salle du cercle.
And where might I find this circle hall?
You speak to the poet in the painting. Tell him, my beard's getting itchy. He'll know what you're after.
Fine. Let's hope this is the last chapter. My feet are starting to...
Bah, j'espère pas, moi.
Yes, yes. Run along now. I need to rest.
Ah, je vais garder ça en mémoire quand même. Glace feu au cas où. Oh. On va aller voir le tableau. Oh.
I know everybody thinks they're too cool for school, but you might have taken it a tad too far. Okay, that was a bit poor, even for me.
Cassos.
Nah, he's
Je vais voir pour le coup. Il a pas laissé quelque chose derrière. Non. Ma barbe me dérange.
Ah, is that you again, young Simon? To what do I owe the pleasure?
My beard's getting a bit itchy.
What, you don't... Ah, I see. You may pass, young Simon, but be on your guard. Don't let those wizards lead you astray.
A secret passage, eh? This place is starting to get interesting.
Oh, don't mind me, young Simon. Go on now. Run along and enjoy your adventure. I'll just stay here and keep on writing. Alone. As always.
I've been trying to tell you, I'm on the verge of making the greatest discovery of our era.
Listen here, sordid old chap. You keep blathering on about the first wizard and your incredible discovery, but it's just a tedious tittle-tattle of a serial sourpuss.
It's all true, you bacchanalian buffoon.
Is it now? And what became of your precious tomes of the first wizard, pray tell?
My plans were scuppered by that blasted prophecy. I have reason to believe that our world has been infiltrated by a sinister entity. He even purloined my boot!
Ooh, so it's the prophecy now, is it? Very droll.
I assure you I speak the truth. And when I gain possession of those tomes...
Hush, now sordid. I think we've heard quite enough of your tall tales. You think you can just barge in here and disturb our peace, ignoring circle regulations? You even contravened Rule 137.
Tall tales! I'll make you eat those words. I'll track down those tomes. And as for the impudent child from the prophecy, I'll crush him. Nobody's going to deny me my moment of glory.
Better not let him know who I really am.
Bon. On va commencer par l'étage. Il y a pas mal de trucs. Allez, c'est parti.
Remains of the wand of the first wizard.
Ok.
It looks like an old message. To my fellow members of the Circle, I do not dare to assume that you share my passion for our history, but at least stop flogging off the artifacts from this room. They're worth much more than a few drinks. Yours faithfully, Sordid. Dusty old books. Definitely not my preferred reading matter.
Ok. Ah, d'accord.
The beard of the first wizard.
Ok.
Emergency booze. Interesting.
Est-ce que...
Why would I want to...
Parce que j'en aurais besoin, certainement ici d'ailleurs.
That doesn't make sense.
D'accord.
Playing anything interesting? Something magical, perhaps? No? Okay. Pretty impressive background music, mate. Very atmospheric. Sounds like something Mason Fisher himself might have composed.
Je sais pas qui c'est.
For a circle of wizards, they really have the most boring hobbies. That's not right. You must be sordid. Is that right? I just wanted to ask...
What? Get out of my sight, child. I don't have time to waste on the likes of you.
You there, my child. Come over here.
Are you talking to me, you old duffer?
Why, you? Of course I was talking to you. Do you see any other children here? So tell me, how did you get in here? This hall is reserved for members of the Circle.
You can thank the headmaster for that. He told me how to get in.
That preposterous loon. I'll have to teach him to hold his tongue. And what precisely are you doing here?
I need to speak to Sordid. I need to ask him about his research.
Good luck with that. That fawning sycophant wouldn't make time for the likes of you.
He doesn't seem too fond of you either.
That killjoy is nothing but trouble. He's obsessed with his research, bragging to his betters. Quite frankly, we're thinking of kicking him out. He's always contravening our rules in the name of his research.
There must be a way I can convince him to talk to me.
Let me think. Maybe a better, wetter wizard would do the trick.
What?
A better, wetter wizard is his favourite tipple, and it's great for
La magique.
I don't like it myself. A touch too sophisticated for my taste. Only somebody like Sordid would.
How can I get hold of one?
Where were we? Oh yeah, the preparation's fairly straightforward. You just need to add essence of wetness to a regular wet wizard. You can get hold of a wet wizard in any decent.
Ok.
But the preparation of the essence of wetness is only in the can of a select few wizards. I, for example, am not in their number.
Thank you very much. But why are you helping me?
I'm rather enjoying the idea of winding up Sordid, the old misery guts.
Calypso might know something about this.
C'est exactement ce que j'étais en train de me dire. Il n'y a que lui qui va pouvoir me donner une recette comme ça, je pense. Ok. Alors, est-ce que je vais voir Calypso d'abord ou est-ce que je vais à la taverne d'abord? Je pense que c'est pareil en fait. Vu qu'il m'a parlé de Calypso, je vais aller voir Calypso d'abord. Ce puits là, il m'intrigue encore. Je pense que j'en aurai besoin plus tard. Hein. Ou pas. Hein. Mais ça m'étonnerait quand même.
Oi, you old codger. Oh. Nobody home. Where could he have got to? Praise the sun. 10. P.S. Please find enclosed a photograph for you to remember me by. Ooh, she looks nice.
Ok. Où est-ce qu'il peut être? S'il est pas là, je vais refaire un tour dans la grotte. Et au pire, j'irai faire un stage. Ouh. J'irai faire un stage à l'auberge. Bingo, putain. Pas fait exprès, hein, les gars.
What's come over you? Aha. Simon, what are you doing here?
Surprised to see me?
I must admit, I was starting to wonder if something had eaten you after all.
Well, it was close there for a bit. I could ask you the same thing.
Me? Ah, nothing to worry about. I'm just catching up on some research.
I need a hand.
A hand? Explain yourself.
I may have found some information about the first wizard, but I need to prepare some essence of wetness. Do you know how to make it?
Essence of wetness? Are you trying to get somebody drunk, Simon?
Well, maybe.
I really don't remember it. I'm sorry, lad, but I am quite sure I've read it somewhere before.
Why didn't they give me the solution for this game?
Bon.
Now that smells rank.
Je vais aller voir à l'auberge.
Why would I want to...
Ok. Oh,
Greetings, young.
de l'alcool gratuit.
What can I do you
Si
for?
tiens, bon.
I'd like a wet wizard, please.
Are you sure you're old enough to drink? I'm only taking them, Mickey. Pay up and it's yours.
I found this voucher.
Are you trying to palm me off with an expired voucher? What do you take me for? Come back when you've got some
Ok.
or a valid voucher.
Je pense que c'est là qu'il va me servir mon chapeau.
Expired.
Expiré.
Could have done with a drink. Expired. Drat. Could have done.
Ah. 2 secondes, je vais donner à manger au chien, je l'entends gargouiller son ventre. Bon. Euh...
How can I help? Just
Your shop has a particular charm.
thank you kindly. I oversaw the renovation.
C'était pas ma question en vrai, mais pas grave.
Every last detail.
What's the most bonkers item in here?
That would be the Tome of Ancient Entities. Or maybe the creature that feeds exclusively off pure magic. Or maybe...
Okay, I think I get the idea. This place is full of bonkers stuff.
T'as pas un stylo que je puisse changer ma carte, genre?
Laters.
I'm sure you'll find something when you...
Ok. Eternis Felicis. Eternis Infelicis. Eternis Infelicis. Oh, j'ai rien qu'à changer. Je peux aller demander au marécageux éventuellement.
Bestest friend.
Mustache.
Come back soon.
Je vais retourner voir à l'église peut-être.
I recognize. Begone! My vicar will be along. Where has that drunkard got to now?
That's not right.
Il y a une ivrogne quelque part. Hein. Je vais retenter à l'auberge peut-être à Ivrogne.
Why would I want... I don't think he's willing to...
Are you trying to palm off an... I wasn't born, yes, get hold of a valid...
That doesn't make sense.
Ouais, ça n'a pas de sens.
Expired. Drat. I could have... Probably best...
Ok.
I'd best keep my distance. I wouldn't want to fall into a well. Again. No, I'm not sure that... I could get it...
Bon. Je suis pas sûr que ce soit un alcoolique lui en fait.
Here again. What in?
I got the mud from a certain swampling. Ever heard of him?
Never heard. Are you sure you weren't hallucinating? The forbidden swamp. They had a good...
What is this obsession with beards?
Have you ever seen a wizard without a beard?
Fair point. Did you know that the library has...
Library?
Ok.
Gotta go.
Bon. Oh.
Replacement lever for magic lantern. Might be a little late for that.
How can I be of service?
Ok.
So long.
You know where to find.
Est-ce qu'il dort encore lui? Oui. Bon. Je pense pas trouver quelque chose de plus ici. Dans le doute. Non. Ça va pas bouger. Bon, ben je sais pas trop, j'avoue. Je sèche. Donc on va stopper par là, ça fait ouais, presque 1h15. Voilà. Sur ce les gars, je vous dis à la prochaine. J'espère que ça vous aura plu. Et à bientôt de toute façon. Allez, ciao ciao.